today we're finally painting the rims. Sister's boyfriend's over. We're gonna paint his too on his for his SUV. Got these Kia rims. We're gonna paint these. So we've got our Dawn soap. We're gonna wash them all, then we're gonna sand them. All right. So after an hour or two of rage, we got her all together. Taped it off with loose leaf. Taped all the valve stems, got her sanded. Now for the primer, and then a couple layers of paint. Yeah, we put some bed sheets on the vehicles. Stop the overspray. Back to priming. So, coming out pretty good. As you can see, there's some dirt that got in there from the wind. It's pretty windy. But can't tell from over here. That is 2 coats. Okay, so this is them all from when I painted it. As you can see, this part's like shiny here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but it's all dull here and here. Some parts are pretty shiny and the rest is dull. Now it was windy, so it's kind of rough and dusty, but like right there, you can see it's dull. It was really windy, so I ran out of paint and time, so I threw them back on the car. I didn't do my wheel caps, but I'm gonna now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it all, give it a couple more coats. I bought some clear coat and that should shine everything up. So I'm gonna finish that, and yeah, hopefully it looks way better than it does now, because right now it looks like a hack job and a half. I got the center cap sanded and washed, drying up for primer. Got these all taped off, and this is by no way a how-to video because I suck at it, so it's hard to get a good angle with the video. But anyways, that's them there. Show before and after. Oh, so much better. I don't know what happened there. I went to go paint that rim, came back, and there was like squiggly lines everywhere. I don't think it ran, but it might have, so whatever. I'm not same thing there, but still looks way better than without the clear coat. So clear coat, little run there. Again, this is my first time spray painting anything ever, so I think it came out pretty decent. Okay, so these are the center caps. It was a little windy outside, so there is dust particles. I was just getting eaten alive, so I brought them inside to show you guys. They were 3/4 of them came off pretty easy. The other ones I kind of damaged the tabs, but they still should clip back in. So yeah, see, I was prying it and ready to just break them off and buy new ones, but they came off, so that's good. And I'm gonna clip those back in, and I need 2 hands here, so I'm gonna put the camera down and I'll be back. Honda. Okay, so I got them all clipped in, and yeah, they came out good. And the only thing is, one of them broke off. I don't know how that happened. I think it was when I was moving them around it broke, but anyways, hopefully it still clips back in. If not, I'll have to maybe buy a new center cap or figure something out. Super glue it, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go throw those on, and then I'll pick up the video. Alright, so these are the rims all painted. Came out pretty good. This is a couple days later. I mean, they're a little dirty, but came out good. The only thing is right there, it's chipping because this is a week after I painted them, but I don't think I sanded good enough there, so now next is to get rid of all this chrome around here. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.